Encountering the 0xc8000222 error during installation, I'll share a fixes to resolve this issue. Stay tuned for solutions to ensure seamless installations on your Windows 11 system. To open the search bar, press the Windows plus S key, then type CMD and right-click on the most relevant result to run it as an administrator. Fill in the blanks using the following command or copy and paste it and press Enter. SFC/Scano. Press the Windows key plus S, then search for CMD, and right-click on the most relevant result, then choose Run as Administrator. After the command prompt launches, type in the following command and press Enter. CHKDSK per F/R/X. Press the Windows plus S key and type CMD inside the search box. Now right-click on the most relevant result to run it as an administrator. Type or paste in the following commands and press Enter after each. Press the Windows key plus R to open a new run box and type msconfig, then click on OK. Then, under Boot Settings, go to the Boot tab and check the Safe Boot option. Now go to the General page and click the Selective Startup Radio option, but uncheck Load Startup Items underneath it. Select the Service tab, check the box Hide All Microsoft Services, and then click Disable All to turn off all unwanted services that may be causing problems. On the Startup tab, click Open Task Manager and disable all the startup items which are enabled. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.